Let's learn how you can add auto captions to your Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts. So if you watch a lot of short-form content and you see that a lot of videos have captions on them, then let's learn how to do that for your videos. You can easily add auto captions to your videos with just one single click. You don't have to write the caption sentence by sentence. And make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. We will be using the CapCut application for this. CapCut is absolutely free and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. And let's learn how we can caption your videos automatically. The very first step is to open your App Store if you are on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Now simply search for CapCut, and what we have to do is to check if we have the latest version of CapCut installed. So if it says update right here, then click on it and wait a couple of minutes until CapCut updates to the latest version, and that way we will be sure that we have the auto captions feature. Now open CapCut and import the video which you want to add the captions to. I have my tutorial video, but you can use podcast clips or anything that has a voice to it. Now in order to add the auto captions, click on the text button right here, and a couple of different settings will show up. Then click on the auto captions button here, and this little menu will pop up. Just tap on start and wait a couple of seconds until CapCut analyzes the audio of our content and adds the captions automatically. And as you can see, that was pretty quick and our video has the captions now. You didn't have to write anything, and the captions are here. Now tap on one section of the text and then click on Style. This will open our text editor where we can choose the font of our text. You can adjust the color, style, animation of our captions, and many more things. When you edit one section, the settings will be applied to the rest of our text. You don't have to edit every sentence manually. So this is a pretty cool feature, and it will help your TikTok videos and other short-form content get more views and engagement. And that's it for this video, guys. If this was helpful, then leave a comment on this video and I'll see you in the next one.